Am I audible mostly?
Yes, sir.
Clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Roll number 41. Are you observing screen? Shinde. 41. Roll number 41. Are you observing screen? Roll number 6. Sneha. Shinde, are you observing?
Yes, sir.
Which problem is there? Will you read?
An equilateral triangle of 1 meter side is acted upon by forces as shown in following figure. Find magnitude, direction and position of resultant about the vertex of triangle A.
Very good. Thank you. So same problem, equilateral triangle is given and we are supposed to find what we are supposed to find, magnitude, direction and position of the resultant about the vertex A. Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Still some students are joining. So same problem now, equilateral triangle of 1 meter side. Very simple problem. Only while solving the problem, you should be able to find distances and forces. That's all. Shall we? So what it is given, how many forces are there in this system? Are you able to see this diagram clearly?
4 forces, sir.
4 forces. Which are they?
Four.
Shubham? 4. Which are they?
1.5 kilonewton,
Sir,
45.
5 forces.
5 forces.
5
5.
forces, sir. Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, sir.
5 are
5.
there. 5.
Yes, sir, 5.
Which are they?
1.5 kilonewton, 4 kilonewton, 2 kilonewton, again 2 kilonewton, and 3 kilonewton.
Very good. Shall I give names to these forces?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will give first names. So let us see. So let us see, this force is 1. So here 3 Newton, I will say 2. Then this will say 3. This I will say 4. And here I will say for 4 Newton, 5th force. How many forces are there in this system?
5.
5 forces are there. So our regular method, nothing else. Whatever we have seen in methods of resolution, same is there. Up to finding out resultant and its direction. Procedure is same. Okay, so All problems are falling under same. So shall I start with summation apex?
Yes, sir.
So first force, X component. Now intentionally I am using the word X component because we are calculating only summation apex. Keep in mind when we are calculating the moment at particular point, what we have to think, whether we have to think with that force is horizontal or vertical or inclined. If inclined, effect due to both the components we have to consider in that case. Okay, so summation apex is equal to first force. What will be its X component at horizontal component or X component of force 1.5 kilonewton?
F cos theta.
F cos theta. What is the value of F?
1.5
1.5.
Into cos?
60.
Cos 60. Force number 2.
0.75.
No. All forces we will continue and we will add here. Force number 2. Force number 2. 3 kilonewton. Its X component. Plus or minus? Plus or minus?
Plus.
What it will be? 3 into cos 30?
3 cos 30.
Yes, sir.
3 cos 30. Next. Force number 3. 2 kilonewton. Plus or minus X component?
Plus, sir.
2 kilonewton. Is it going towards positive x-axis or negative
Minus,
x-axis?
sir. Minus. Sir.
Negative.
Minus.
See, if at this stage if you will commit mistake, not further calculation will go in vain. In vain means nishfal, no use. Kailo, X component of 2 kilonewton force, positive or negative?
Negative, sir. Negative.
Negative. Very carefully you have to apply the mind. You have to check this carefully. Minus 2 into 2 into cos
60.
Cos 60. Next. Force number 4. X component of force number 4, 2 kilonewton.
0.
0. Why it is 0?
Vertical force.
It is vertical force. X component of fifth force, 4 kilonewton.
0.
Again 0. It will be 0. Roll number 35. Again it will be 0. Why? Because it is vertical. So calculate now. Calculate summation apex. Calculate. Roll number 3. Tell me the answer of this summation apex.
Sir, minus 2.84.
Minus
2.84.
84 or 34?
34, sir.
34.
Minus or plus?
Plus, sir.
Plus, sir.
Carefully you have to go for calculation. Minus or plus?
Plus.
Plus येते.
Plus how much?
2.34.
2.34.
Plus 2.34. Minus कुणाचा answer आला जरा check करा बरं. Plus 2.34. Unit?
Newton.
Newton का किलो न्यूटन?
Kilonewton.
Kilonewton. It should be kilonewton, no? Next. पुन्हा चालतं minus check करा. Just check whether plus or minus.
Plus, sir. Plus.
Plus, no?
Yes.
Now summation Fy. Summation Fy. Calculate. Force number 1. Y component of force number 1. 1.5 kilonewton.
1.5 sin 60.
1 point plus or minus?
Plus.
Plus 1.5
Sin 60.
sin 60. Force number 2, which is force number 2, 3 kilonewton.
Plus.
So y component of 3 kilonewton force, plus or minus? Plus or minus?
Plus.
Plus. What will be that component? 3 into
Sin 30.
sin 30. Sin 30. Very good. Force number 3, 2 kilonewton. Y component of that force, plus or minus?
Plus.
Plus.
2 sin 60.
2 sin 60. Next.
Plus 2.
Plus 2.
Minus 4.
Plus 2.
Minus 4.
Minus 4. Very good. Minus 4. Calculate.
2.53.
Calculate. Any more answer? 2.53 is the one answer.
2.53.
2.53. Roll number 35. 38. Calculate and tell. 1.5 sin 60 plus 3 sin 30 plus 2 sin 60
2.53.
Yes, sir.
plus or minus?
Plus.
Plus. Very good.
53.
3 kilonewton.
2.53 kilonewton. Okay. Next one. Now R is equal to, calculate. R is equal to, what is formula? Both the values are with you. Summation fx square plus summation
Fy square.
fy square. Calculate and tell me what is the value. R.
3.44.
3.44 is one answer. Rule number 57. Your answer. 3.44. Another answer. Somebody else again. Rule number 35. You are not telling answer. 35.
3.44.
3.44.
3.44.
3.4
Very good. 3.4
kilonewton.
Kilonewton is the correct answer. 3.44 is the correct answer. Now theta. What is formula? Tan inverse of
Summation of
Summation of y upon summation of
fx.
summation fx.
Fx.
Calculate. All the values are with you. Calculate.
47.23.
47.23.
47.23.
23.
23
degree. Any problem? Somebody's answer. Roll number 3. Have you got same?
Yes, sir.
Very good. 47.23. Now what we have to do? So what we have calculated for resultant? Its magnitude we have calculated. And what we have calculated? Angle. Its angle we have calculated. Now we want to calculate which things now?
Direction.
Direction and
position of
direction and which distance we want to calculate. So about what point we are supposed to calculate? About point A. So what I will write here? Applying. Which theorem we have to apply now to find distance?
Varignon.
So yesterday we have seen this Varignon theorem. Applying Varignon theorem. Okay. So what it will come? Applying Varignon theorem. Summation of moment due to all forces at point
A
equal to moment due to
resultant.
Very good. Equal to moment due to resultant. So
R into D.
R into D. So now let's find moment at point. Which point?
A.
Moment at point A equal to. Now each and every force you have to consider while calculating moment at point A. Force number 1, 1.5 kilonewton force we have to consider. And which thing you have to remember, I have told, if force is inclined, effect due to its both component you have to consider. If it is vertical or horizontal, no issue. Directly you can consider that force individually. If it is inclined, both the components, effect due to its x component, effect due to its y component, you have to consider. Now 1.5 kilonewton force. What will be the moment due to 1.5 kilonewton force at point A?
0.
0.
0?
0.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good.
0.
It will be 0 because it is passing through point
A.
A.
A. Next force, force number 3 kilonewton.
0.
Again 0. Asil ka 0?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it passing through point A?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it will be 0 again. Force number 3, 2 kilonewton.
0.
0.
Again 0. Because line of action of that force or that force itself passing through point A.
A.
Next. Force number 4, 2 kilonewton.
2.
What will be its moment? So you should remember formula of moment is magnitude of force into perpendicular distance. And its direction is also important. Clockwise or anti-clockwise.
2 into 1 by 2.
2 into
1
2
kilometer.
into half.
2 into half.
1 by 2.
That is half means 1 by 2 means half.
0.5.
0.5. How it will be? Positive or negative?
Positive.
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 Positive. 100% sure. Clockwise or anti-clockwise that moment will be due to
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise.
anti-clockwise. How we are taking, positive or negative?
Negative.
If you are unable to
Positive.
from this point, if I will extend a one line here like this, so it will meet at the midpoint. Midpoint ला असेल because it is equilateral triangle. Midpoint ला means हे distance किती असेल, this horizontal distance up to point C 0.5. 0.5. If you are unable to identify direction, extend this line of action of this 2 kilonewton force. It will be like this. Law of transmissibility of force. And this line is this. Now this force is coming up to this. So how this object will rotate? If I will apply the here force, clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise moment, how we are taking? Positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative.
Negative. So it will be negative. What is force? 2
0.5.
into
1 by 2.
1 by 2 or
0.5.
1 by 2 or 0.5, one and the same. Fourth force is over. Any problem in this 2 into 0.5? काय problem आहे कुणाला?
No, sir.
No, sir.
One force is remained now. Fifth force, 4 kilonewton. Similarly, you can apply the logic now. Same. So
4 into
this
half.
4 into half, plus or minus?
Plus.
Positive or negative?
Positive.
Negative, sir.
Negative.
Negative.
Minus.
Minus.
Negative, sir.
Anti-clockwise.
Again, it will rotate anti-clockwise. From A, I will extend line this in this direction. And from point B, I will extend. This intersection will be here. It is something like we have applied 4 kilonewton force here. So if point A is fixed, here 4 kilonewton is force applied. How this object will rotate?
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise.
So anti-clockwise. So 4 into
Half.
half. Or why we have taken minus? Have you understood both the minus?
Yes, sir.
So Calculate now.
Minus
This value.
3. Minus 3.
Minus 3 unit.
Kilonewton meter.
Newton meter.
Kilonewton
Meter.
meter. So now from suppose this equation number 1. From equation number 1, what we can write now? So is it possible to calculate now from equation number 1?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Calculate now equation number 1. What it will be? Minus 3 is equal to R. Whether we are knowing R?
3.44.
3.44.
3.44.
44
into D. Calculate
into D.
0.87, sir.
Minus 0.87. Minus 0.87. Minus 0.8.
87.
Meter.
Minus
0.87.
87.
87.
87.
0 point.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
0.87.
Minus
0.87.
87
Yes.
sir.
meter.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Calculate now. X bar and Y bar. X bar equal to summation of moment due to all forces at point
A.
C.
A divided by
Summation Fy.
summation Fy. Calculate this. So this value is also known to you
Minus 1.185.
minus 1.185
1.185
meter. Similarly, Y bar. What is formula? Summation of moments due to all forces at point
A.
A divided by
Summation fx.
summation fx. This value is known to you, minus 3 divided by
2.34.
2.34.
Minus 1.
Minus 1.28.
Minus 1.28
282.
meter. 282 or 28 minus 1.28 is the answer. So this problem is, it is like this. All problems are like this. Only still some students are confusing while calculating moment, plus minus. Maybe in some cases, even some students are confusing while calculating fx and fy. So many more problems we have solved. At this stage, you should not be confused. And you should be able to find moment also at particular point. Okay, by applying the mind, by extending the line of action, by calculating the angle, by calculating the distance. Have you noted down this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's go next.
Direction दाखवलं नाही आपण.
Where? Here you can show. Actually, in the statement, it is called find only. Actually, this, if for our information, you can show like this. How angle came? Positive, no?
Yes, sir.
Angle is positive,
Yes,
means
sir.
clockwise or anti-clockwise. This is Y, this is X.
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise, it will go something like this. Okay, so arrow we have to show. How is our X and Y? Both are
Positive.
both are positive.
Positive.
So upward arrow it will come, no? Upward R and here theta. Like this, simple. So only like this you can show. Next. Shall we go next?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Same problem, same procedure, nothing else. Only you should be able to find summation fx, fy. And most important thing, to calculate moment. That's all. It is important, nothing else. Shall we go next?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So note down both the answers. Whatever answers are there. See this, very simple again. Just check a special case problem again. Is it possible? What it is? Somebody read. Roll number 40. Will you read the problem?
Yes, sir.
Read. Determine.
Determine the resultant of the four forces acting tangentially to a circle of radius 3 meters as shown in following figure. What will be the location of the resultant
with respect to
center of the circle.
Very good, thank you. So have you seen the figure? Is it possible to see this figure carefully?
Yes, sir.
So how many forces are there in this system? Force system.
Four.
Four forces are there. Four forces are there. Four. Okay. Four forces are there in this. And what we are supposed to calculate again? Resultant with respect to what?
And location.
Resultant and location. With respect to what?
Center of the circle.
So actually in this problem, magnitude and direction, it is not told. Magnitude and direction. But we cannot directly jump to the location unless and until we should find the resultant, magnitude, etc. So our regular procedure, once again, we have to follow. How many forces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Four forces. What is the radius of circle?
3
How
meter.
much it is?
3 meter.
3 meter. So radius is given 3 meter. Do you feel this problem is simple? Or shall we solve? Is it possible to solve? Or shall we solve first? So shall I give name to the forces 1, 2, 3, 4?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
this I will say 1. For this I will give second name as a second force. Then this is third. And this one is fourth force. Okay. So first, what is our task? Now carefully now. Summation fx. So only we have to consider x component of all the forces and we have to add. So what will be the x component of force number 1?
100 Newton. Sorry, 150.
One force is 80 Newton, which is vertical, downward side.
0, sir.
100 koni sangatlo. Who tells 100? I don't know.
0, sir.
0, sir.
0?
Yes, sir.
So at this stage, you should not be in confusion because we are at the last step of this chapter. 0. It will be 0 because it is vertical force. Force number 2, 150 Newton. Plus minus. First you have to see whether it will be plus or minus. Rule number 35, plus or minus. Am I audible?